as far as the Air India urination controversy is concerned. The top court has given a notice to the Civil Aviation Ministry and the DGCA, and this notice is over the victim's petition. The victim has sought SOPs to deal with the passengers' misconduct, and the top court has asked, and I quote, "Is there any protocol?" So these are the latest developments that we are bringing to you on the broadcast as far as the Air India urination row is concerned. To give us details, my colleague Harish is joining us. Harish, the top court has now sent a notice to the Civil Aviation Ministry as well as the DGCA. This is coming over the victim's petition, who has sought SOPs to deal with the passengers' misconduct. Give us details.
Yes, that's right. The Chief Justice of India has asked the DGCA and Civil Aviation Ministry whether there is any standard operating procedure, SOPs and protocols in place, and if there is, what are they? Remember this the matter. This victim in Air India urination incident had moved Supreme Court seeking direction to DGCA and airline companies to lay down statutory mandated SOPs and regulations on how to deal with incidents of passenger misconduct on board. So this query from Justice came in this context. The prayers she sought is explicit zero tolerance policy with respect to unruly, disruptive behavior, which should include drunkenness and inebriation. SOPs from all airline companies to deal with such behavior. Number 3, set rules on alcohol policy on international flights without any discrimination on class of travel. 4, redressal mechanisms for a victims via an ombudsman. Remember, a Delhi court had on January 31 this year granted bail to Shankar Mishra, accused of urinating on his co-passenger on a New York-New Delhi Air India flight last year. So this PIL pertained to that, this particular incident. So the Supreme Court's direction, that is the notice to DGC and Civil Aviation Ministry, came on this petition filed by the victim seeking directions to the DGC and airline companies to lay down statutory mandated SOPs and regulations on how to deal with incidents of passenger misconduct on board.